Jordan from jordanseasyentertaining.com, and welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas. I've teamed up with some of my favorite bloggers to bring you 12 straight days of Christmas ideas to help you get ready for your holiday entertaining. And today, we are all sharing savory Christmas recipes. So I'm going to show you how to make these delicious stuffed prosciutto egg cups. It's perfect for your Christmas brunch or if you're hosting overnight guests.
That is so good.
Head over to jordanseasyentertaining.com to get this full written recipe and to get links to the other savory recipes shared by my friends. But while you're at jordanseasyentertaining.com, make sure to enter my giveaway. I'm giving away a rose gold cake stand just like this to one lucky winner who lives in the US and is 18 or over. You can come back and enter every single day of the 12 Days of Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!